Double-hung Windows Baytown is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and style. Our Baytown window installation services ensure that your double-hung Windows Baytown are fitted with precision and care, providing you with the best in energy-efficient Windows Baytown has to offer. With our custom Windows Baytown TX solutions, you can enjoy a perfect blend of aesthetics and performance. Window replacement services in Baytown TX are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our double-hung Windows Baytown experts specialize in residential Windows Baytown, offering comprehensive window frame replacement Baytown and window glass replacement Baytown services. Trust our window maintenance Baytown TX team to keep your windows in top condition year-round. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any Baytown homeowner looking to reduce energy costs. Our window insulation Baytown TX services provide superior window energy savings Baytown residents can rely on. With our window sealing Baytown services, you can enhance your home's comfort and efficiency, making energy-efficient Windows Baytown a smart investment. Custom window solutions in Baytown TX allow you to tailor your windows to your specific needs and preferences. Our Baytown window customization options include a wide range of window style options and window design Baytown consultation services. Whether you're looking for window aesthetic improvements or window durability Baytown solutions, we have the expertise to deliver. Window replacement experts in Baytown TX are here to address all your window-related concerns. From window frame replacement Baytown to window glass replacement Baytown, our team is equipped to handle any issue. Our window maintenance Baytown TX services ensure that your windows remain in excellent condition, providing you with peace of mind. Residential window services in Baytown TX cover everything from installation to maintenance. Our Baytown window installation services are designed to meet the unique needs of Baytown homeowners, offering window fitting Baytown TX and window measurement Baytown experts to ensure a perfect fit. With our window cleaning Baytown services, your windows will always look their best. Window frame replacement in Baytown TX is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our Baytown window replacement experts specialize in window frame replacement Baytown, ensuring that your double-hung Windows Baytown remains secure and functional. With our window sealing Baytown services, you can prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency.